Hello everyone, this is part 2 of water slides. This video will be about doing a clear water slide that I printed. I reversed the picture, so I inverted the picture like you do HTV, heat transfer vinyl. So I flipped the picture onto clear water slide, and this is basically the image. It's inverted. And then I did a clear seal before I cut it. One layer of this clear Rust-Oleum 2X gloss. And then I cut it. And I cut it basically around the edges that I wanted. And then you'll notice there's a white on both sides. The side with the picture that you normally would put the clear water slide up, or as in my first video on water slides, put face down. I spray painted clear white paint like you would base coat a tumbler. Alright, so this painted side is the side we're going to face down on our cup. This is the cup we're going to do. Put that in here. Don't need that image. Alright, we have our warm water. And just like in the first video, we're not going to put the water slide in the water. We're going to put the water slide on the cup and then use the rag to absorb it and put it on like a temporary tattoo. So the purpose of the white paint is because we have a dark based cup. And on dark base, you have to use white water slide or use vinyl behind it for a clear water slide. We are going to try a new method with painted white water slide on a clear water slide. So I'm going to put just a little bit of water on here. We can do a little bit, try a little bit different. All right. All right. So let's put that down. Let's get our warm rag and start soaking it. And let's see what happens. Make sure that's thoroughly wet. All right, let's see if we can take it off. Let's try. I'm gonna try some tweezers, but it doesn't look like it's stuck all the way. So let's try some more. Kind of came up, so let's try to move it. All right, and then let's make sure we get the water and the bubbles out. see, it went on like a white water slide. Looks with a white backing because we painted the back white. One thing I like about this is I don't have to worry about smudging off the color because the color's under the bottom. That's not where we're rubbing. And there you go. We did it like a white, temporary tattoo. But also like a white water slide. I hope these videos are helpful. I think having new, better ways to do water slides is good because we see so many people posting in groups that their water slide just disintegrates or the color doesn't seal properly. This, I barely sealed. I did one clear and then one layer of white in the last hour before I did this video. Used warm water because I use Haze clear water slide from Amazon, and soaked the cup, just a little bit of water, laid the decal, the water slide, the cut water slide, and then used the warm rag to soak it down. And there you go. Perfect. Like and subscribe. I have one more video coming. We're going to do chocolate drips on the cup from the first water slide video. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.